Today I'll be showing you a new feature that we've added to the VLine and the VLite. We've added haptic feedback, so no longer will the mouse be free-flowing if you enable haptic feedback. This will also work for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. First thing you want to do is go to your settings and enable haptic feedback. Now you get cool colored boxes. You can also change the color of those. If you go back to your settings, if you like green or whatever color you want to pick, then when you go to Android Auto, and that'll make it easier for you to navigate from different icons. To enable haptic feedback on the VLine, go to the top left corner, select your settings, make sure it's enabled, then you'll see it start making selections. Just like the VLite, you could change the colors, round off the corners, or do selection timeout, and if you're inactive, the selector box will disappear. Once it's enabled, you can go into Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and it will work the same.